From there, I went on to Williams College in the Berkshires, where my Jewish identity probably strengthened there because of how alienated I was from the prevailing culture, and by that, I mean in every sense. This is in the late 1970s and early 1980s. You couldn't, even though they had made great strides in the student population compared to what it once was, still the prevailing ethos and culture of it was very preppy, New England, waspy. So I knew I wasn't that, and I kind of had problems fitting in. So one of the things I did at Williams was actually to be somewhat involved with the Jewish Association. But even that, like back then, like now they have this big, beautiful building, the Jewish Center itself. Back then, the Jewish Association's headquarters was in the basement of the chapel. The Islamic students had like a little closet, and we had in the basement, and we had a room. But there was, but you had to go through the back of the chapel to get in there. The symbolism was just hysterical. But I found this coterie of friends, and we would often get together on Friday afternoons and start cooking dinner on our own and make a Sabbath dinner. And I was involved politically somewhat on campus. A couple of friends of mine formed up a Jewish Political Action Committee, and it's kind of a lame attempt just to create some kind of a Jewish presence politically on campus, because at the time I think as much as we were Jewish identified, we were also, or at least I was very, at the time, very Zionist, pro-Israel. And indeed, right after graduation, I went to Israel for a year.